Hey, fire pit people, you know who it is, of course, Jonathan, Montana Fire Pits. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about ceramic logs. Here you go. We're going to talk about some of the most frequently asked questions and comments and feedback that we get about the ceramic log sets. Number one, the ceramic log sets that we have are fantastic. A, they look extremely realistic. B, they hold up very, very well. They're very durable and very well made. And C, they just look awesome when the fire is up burning through them. We want to tell you a little bit about what you can expect when you order them, what you can expect when you set them up in your fire, for when you receive them and when you burn them, and how to maintain them. So, first of all, there are three main types of ceramic logs. All of them are a ceramic product, so A, they're going to retain heat. They're going to make your fire hotter by retaining that. That's a big question. B, these are all steel reinforced, effectively hand crafted. They're made from a mold, but this is ceramic that's steel reinforced inside. Speaking of steel reinforcement, if it has rods of steel running through here, if it forms a hairline crack or if it cracks, it's not a ruined log, right? Sometimes as a cement and a ceramic product, that may happen. It's not to say that, oh my gosh, every log I ever have is going to crack. Don't get that impression. These are still extremely well made, if on the outside chance that it does develop a crack. That's all I'm saying. That said, also, when you receive them, these are shipped in a box, okay, via FedEx. So the manufacturer packs them as well as they can, and we have hundreds of logs that are shipped every year. When you get that box, just take them out and inspect them. We get questions about returns and exchanges and warranties, okay? A, if you get that log and there's a crack right out of the box due to shipping, let us know immediately and we can replace that. B, if it has been in your fire, we can't take it back. When you order a ceramic log set, whether it is oak deluxe or driftwood or country split, you're immediately going to be drawn to the quality and how realistic they are. They look fantastic, okay? Upon further inspection, you're going to realize that a lot of them are formed with a flat surface. That just means when you get them, they all come as loose logs. You're going to have the ability to set them up however you want to. You're in control of how that looks. And when your fire is burning, you can adjust the logs to make the flame look exactly the way you want to. As you may notice in kind of the close-ups and things of these photos and videos, that these are kind of, they're charred, they're blackened a little bit, they've got some scuffs. Disclaimer, my logs are used a lot. So I handle them a lot, they're in and out of buckets a lot, so forgive that, but when you get them, they are pristine, and then you put them right in your fire, and theoretically you're not going to touch them again, okay? With that, they will soot up, particularly with propane. Propane burns a little dirtier, I guess. So your logs are going to soot up, even with natural gas. Now, that's not a problem, but in my opinion, it just makes it look that much more natural. If you feel super compelled to clean that soot off, wire brush, all you can do is just clean those things up and make them look like $1,000,000 again. A little bit more about the logs. These logs are heavy, right? This log right here, oh, it's probably, what is that, about 12 inches, weighs about 6 or 7 pounds. So it's substantial. The larger the log set that you have, whether it's 8 logs, 9 logs, 10 logs, 11 logs, you get it based on the opening of your fire feature. Those logs are going to add some weight to your plate, which speaks to the fact that it's a good idea to support right under the dead center of that plate if you have a particularly large and heavy log set. When you receive your log sets, of course you're going to inspect them. You may notice that some are there's a slight variation in color. It's a handmade process, right? It's effectively hand colored. So there may be a little bit of variation, but when it's all in your fire pit, we promise it's all gonna look fantastic. Our log sets are based on your inside dimensions, okay? So when you select them, you're gonna select your log set based on your opening. 30 inches, 36, 42, 48, and we have the log sets arranged in the number and quantity of logs that you're going to receive there. We've made it easy for you. As usual, guys, thank you so much for watching these videos. We appreciate your business very much. Montana Fire Pits to research and purchase anything that you see in these videos. Be sure to check the description below for more helpful links, other videos, and whatnot. And follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Like, comment, share, and tell your friends. We'll see you around the fire.